Hi, I am Andy Michel. Welcome to this video Serie 5 on Python GUI calculator using Tkinter. To add 1000 separator in a number in Python, we need to use the f-string formatting to convert numbers to string. Let's go to the button click function to do that. We are going to use the get method to get the current value of eval or Tkinter variable. Let's create a variable called current for current variable, and we're gonna use the get method eval.get to get the current value of, we need to declare current value as global variable. Okay, and now anytime a number get clicked, we need to update the current value. The way we do that is char equal char plus the string str value. Okay, we update our current value, and now before we set the current value to eval, we need to use the f-string formatting. Let's use another variable called car1 go. That's the f-string formatting. That's how we do it, and like that. And inside the curly bracket we have these format car. We convert this variable car into string, and we store it in car1. And the separator we're gonna use is the comma. That's how we do it. And we put okay, and after that we need to set, we can comment this one and set eval that set we display car1. Okay, now we can comment that one. Let's try it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have our 1000 separator, which is a comma. That's good. Let's keep going. 5. Oh, we have an error. That's a value error in line 28. Let's fix that. To fix that value error, we need to remove the comma in the current value before we update it. Let's do that. We're gonna use the replace function to remove the comma. Let's create another variable we call car2. Gonna remove the comma. Let's say car.replace parentheses. Oh, we have parentheses. That's the comma we want to replace, and we're gonna replace it by nothing, an empty string. Okay, and then now we can use the cur variable and restore cur2 like this way. Cur2. Okay, now let's try it. There is something cur2. That's my mistake. Cur2. Here we go. Now let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we have our 1000 separator. Great. Let's try to multiply. We have an error. Again, value error. We need to fix that. To fix that value error, let's go in line 30 here. Before we concatenate the string value with the current value, we are going to use an if statement to check if the value is a multiplication operator, like it's a star. This is string value. We're gonna check if it is a star. Okay, if the value is a star, we are going to set the current value to an empty string, and also we are going to set eval, that's set to current, else we execute all those like that. Okay, we can delete that. Okay, let's try it. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 6. Excellent. Great. Now we need to apply the 1000 formatting to our result. Before we do that, let's try to do the same for addition, subtraction, for the other operation. Let's try plus. We have the same value error. Let's fix that first. The way we're gonna fix that, you're gonna use the in operator and check if we have the sign, the plus sign, the minus sign, and also the division sign here. I think that's all. Let's try it now. Let's try it now. One, two, three, four. Okay, plus 5. Great. Now we need to fix the result, apply the 1000 formatting to the result. Let's do that. To apply the 1000 separator to the answer, let's go to the button equal function. Here, this function. Before we set expression to eval, we need to apply the f-string formatting. Let's comment this out. Let's comment that, and let's say expression for the f-string formatting, curly bracket, and float answer. And we need to close the quote. And also, now we set expression to eval, and we need to remove the formatting after we set the expression. Let's do that. We're gonna use a variable called current one, called expression dot replace we're gonna replace all the comma by an empty string like that, and after that we assign the current one variable to expression cur1. Okay, we need to add our separator in the f-string format. That's our separator. Okay, let's try it. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. We have 1000 separator here, time 2. The result with 1000 separator. I am using Python 3.7. If your version does not support the f-string format, you can use this format instead. Here, let's say cur1 equal, you can use this format, curly bracket, semicolon, like that, dot format, and the number we want to apply the 1000 formatting, which is current value. Okay, let's comment that and let's try it to see. Okay, here it is. We still have 1000 formatting. The backspace button is not working. Let's try. It's not working. Let's now add the code for the backspace button. We are going to define a function. Let's copy that. We can call that function button clear 1, because what this function gonna do, it's this function gonna slice off the last character in the expression variable and also in the current variable. Let's do that. Char equal, we're gonna slice off the last character. The way we do that in Python is like that. And we do the same for the expression variable. Expression equal expression, we slice off the last character like that, and after that we set eval that's set to char. Okay, we need to declare those variables as global. Expression and also global char, current variable. Okay, after that we need to add this function in our dictionary. We can use this one, we copy, and we can add it right after it. Here, copy, paste, and we change the key with this symbol, and also here it's gonna be clear 1. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. 4 5 6 6 2 3 7, and now let's delete the last digit. Here we go, 7. And now we need to apply the 1000 formatting after slicing off the last digit. Here is -1. Okay, to apply the 1000 formatting after slicing off the last digit, we need to use the replace method to remove the comma. Let's do that. Copy, we come here, we paste it here, paste, and then we need to use the fstring method to apply the 1000 formatting. Let's do that here, like that. Copy, and here we paste it here. backspace. This one should be correct. And also, those variables should be global, expression and cur. Let's try it. One. Okay. Now let's delete let's put 5. Okay, now let's delete the last digit. Okay, let's delete the last digit. Let's delete the last digit. Okay, it works perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please leave your comment and subscribe.